Good morning, everyone. My name is Kurt Bandiola, and this is my short review about my 10 references. The first references that I found is the naturalism, the idea of nature. Naturalism is the belief that everything in the universe, including humans and our thoughts, is a result of natural sciences. There's no supernatural or divine intervention. Next is methodological naturalism in the sciences. Science uses natural explanations to understand the world. They rely on observation, experimentation, and evidence. Supernatural explanations are not considered within the science method. A skeptical challenge to moral non-naturalism and a defense of constructivist naturalism. Moral naturalism believes that moral values exist independently of human opinion or creation. Constructivist naturalism argues that moral values are created by human thought through social and cultural process. Methodological naturalism and the truth-seeking objection. Some argue that methodological naturalism limits scientific inquiry by excluding potentially valid supernatural explanations. Next is science really what naturalism says it is? Examines the underlying assumptions of science and whether they fully align with naturalistic principles. Next is reflective naturalism. A nuanced approach to naturalism that acknowledges the role of human values and perspectives in scientific inquiry, recognizes that scientific knowledge is shaped by human values and the context of its creation. The possibility of deep naturalism, a philosophy for ecology, explores how a naturalistic worldview can inform our understanding of in relationship with the environment. Platonism and naturalism. Platonism, which posits the existence of abstract, unchanging forms, is largely incompatible with naturalism. Introduction to naturalism. A general overview of the philosophical framework of naturalism, covering its key principles and implications. The last is moral normative, naturalism versus theism. Explores how different worldviews, naturalism versus theism, provide different foundation for moral values. And that would be all my short review. Thank you.